Today, we will delve into an intriguing and highly relevant topic for everyone striving for daily improvement. Habits to become 1% better every day through the lens of Stoicism. Many of you are keen on integrating Stoic principles into your routine, and today I'll demonstrate practical and effective methods to do so. Stoicism, a profound philosophy from ancient Greece, offers valuable tools to navigate daily challenges and foster continuous growth. As Seneca said, "As long as you live, keep learning how to live." This philosophy focuses on what we can control and accepting what we cannot, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Why is striving to be 1% better every day important? The essence of this concept is that small, consistent improvements accumulate over time, resulting in significant changes. Instead of drastic overnight transformations, we can focus on small habits and incremental enhancements that collectively have a substantial impact. Consider improving by just 1% daily. The progress will be remarkable by the end of the year. Today, I'll share Stoic habits that can help you improve a little each day. These habits, deeply rooted in Stoic philosophy, are also supported by modern research demonstrating their effectiveness. Practice temperance. Let's begin with the first crucial habit, practicing temperance. Temperance, or moderation, is a core pillar of Stoic philosophy, playing a key role in maintaining balance and self-discipline. Seneca once said, "True happiness is enjoying the present without anxious dependence on the future." Practicing temperance allows us to enjoy the present without indulging in excesses that could harm us long-term. Here are practical ways to integrate temperance into daily life. 1. Control impulses. Temperance means balancing and avoiding excess. Control impulses and desires. Enjoy sweets occasionally, but not excessively. Find a middle ground that lets you enjoy without negative consequences. 2. Set healthy limits. Establish limits in various areas of life: work, relationships, leisure, and more. Knowing when to say no and recognizing enough is a crucial skill. 3. Cultivate self-discipline. Self-discipline, a key part of temperance, involves making conscious, deliberate decisions instead of acting impulsively. Set small daily goals and commit to achieving them to strengthen your ability to maintain balance. 4. Reflect on consequences. Consider the long-term impact before deciding. Ask if the behavior aligns with your values and if it helps you improve in the long run. 5. Practice patience. Avoid seeking instant gratification. Patience allows waiting for what's worthwhile and prevents impulsive decisions that lead to regret. Stoics valued patience for living a balanced, virtuous life. Why is temperance essential for daily improvement? It helps maintain balance and harmony by avoiding excesses, focusing on what matters, and making rational decisions. It also improves physical and mental well-being by avoiding excesses in food, work, or leisure, maintaining health, and reducing stress. Start with small actions. Set clear limits, practice self-discipline, and reflect on your actions. Over time, these changes will lead to a more balanced, virtuous life. Seneca said, "True happiness is enjoying the present without anxious dependence on the future." Practice temperance to become better each day. Manage your emotions. The second crucial habit is managing emotions, a Stoic cornerstone that can significantly impact daily life. Stoics like Seneca and Epictetus emphasize controlling emotions rather than being controlled by them. Emotions depend more on how we interpret events than the events themselves. Developing the ability to manage emotional reactions is key. Here are some strategies. 1. Self-observation. Observe your feelings and understand why you feel a certain way. Recognizing emotions is crucial to managing them. 2. Question thoughts. When feeling intense emotions, evaluate if your thoughts are rational. Use reason to assess perceptions. For instance, if anger arises from an interruption, ask if it's truly worth the anger. 3. Reframe situations. See situations from different perspectives. Instead of focusing on the negative, find something positive or neutral. Learn from frustrating experiences. 4. Accept what you can't control. Central to Stoicism is distinguishing between what we can and cannot control. Accepting our limits and focusing on our actions and responses is crucial. Why is emotional management important for daily improvement? It allows for staying calm and clear-headed, making rational decisions, and focusing on long-term goals. It also improves relationships by fostering positive, constructive interactions and creating a harmonious environment. Stoics practice negative visualization to mentally prepare for adversities, enhancing emotional resilience. Start by taking moments to breathe deeply and reflect before reacting. Meditation and mindfulness can improve self-observation and control. In summary, managing emotions is crucial for daily improvement, helping to stay calm and focused, regardless of circumstances. Seneca said, "The greatest blessing of mankind is self-awareness. Observe and manage emotions to live a more balanced, virtuous life." Practice negative visualization. The third essential habit is negative visualization, a powerful mental exercise used by Stoics to emotionally prepare for difficulties and appreciate what they have. Seneca advised, "Prepare your mind for the adversity that may occur, for when it is expected, it loses its power to cause harm." Though it may seem contrary to positive thinking, it has significant benefits. Here's how to practice it. 1. Imagine negative scenarios. Spend a few minutes daily imagining possible setbacks or difficult situations. It's about mental preparation, not pessimism. Consider your feelings and reactions to these scenarios. 2. Appreciate what you have. After imagining negative scenarios, reflect on what you have and could lose. This helps you value your possessions, relationships, and circumstances more. 3. Develop emotional resilience. Negative visualization strengthens emotional resilience by reducing the emotional impact of adversities, enabling calm, clear responses. 4. Plan solutions. Think of possible solutions or strategies for managing negative scenarios. This provides a sense of control and readiness for difficulties. Why is negative visualization important for daily improvement? It helps you mentally prepare for challenges and appreciate what you have, reducing fear and anxiety. Being prepared and less surprised by adversities enables more effective handling. It also enhances gratitude and satisfaction in daily life, improving emotional well-being and motivating continuous improvement. Start by reflecting on possible setbacks and how to handle them, then appreciate what you have. This exercise profoundly impacts perspective and resilience. In summary, negative visualization is a transformative habit, preparing you for challenges and fostering gratitude. Seneca said, "Prepare your mind for the adversity that may occur, for when it is expected, it loses its power to cause harm." Practice negative visualization to be better each day. Keep an open mind and continuously learn. The fourth essential habit is keeping an open mind and continuously learning, vital for personal growth and adapting to life's changes. Epictetus said, "Only the educated are free," highlighting continuous learning as a path to freedom and growth. Stoics valued education and self-improvement through knowledge. Here's how to incorporate this habit. 1. Read regularly. Books are rich sources of knowledge and wisdom. Dedicate daily time to read, whether philosophy, science, history, or fiction. Reading expands your perspective. 2. Seek new experiences. Step out of your comfort zone and pursue new experiences, like learning a language, trying a different activity, or traveling. These enrich your life with new skills and knowledge. 3. Listen to others. Everyone can teach us something. Keep an open mind and listen to different perspectives, even if you disagree. This broadens your understanding. 4. Reflect on experiences. Reflect on daily learnings and how to apply them in life. Reflection is crucial for learning. 5. Take courses and workshops. Utilize formal and informal educational opportunities, such as courses and workshops, to acquire specialized knowledge. 6. Maintain curiosity. Curiosity drives learning. Question the world around you and seek answers, exploring and discovering constantly. Why is continuous learning important for daily improvement? It keeps you adaptable and prepared for challenges, enabling personal and professional growth. Acquiring new skills and knowledge improves your life and community contributions. Continuous learning also keeps the mind active and healthy, reducing cognitive disease risks and providing purpose and satisfaction. Start by setting learning goals, reading daily, and reflecting on experiences. Maintain curiosity and seek opportunities to expand knowledge. In summary, keeping an open mind and continuously learning is essential for personal growth and adaptation. It helps you adapt, improve life, and keep the mind active. Epictetus said, "Only the educated are free." Cultivate this habit to be better each day. Practice minimalism. The fifth essential habit is practicing minimalism, which involves reducing physical clutter and simplifying life to focus on what matters. Seneca said, "It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor," encouraging reflection on true needs and eliminating the superfluous. Here's how to practice minimalism. 1. Get rid of clutter. Review belongings and eliminate what's unnecessary. This applies to material objects and commitments. Fewer things and commitments reduce stress and create time for what matters. 2. Prioritize the essential. Identify and focus on what's important. Meaningful relationships, personal goals, and passions. Prioritizing the essential leads to intentional living. 3. Simplify decision-making. Reduce decision overload with routines, simple clothing, or limited food choices. Fewer decisions save mental energy for significant ones. 4. Value quality over quantity. Focus on fewer, high-quality possessions, relationships, and experiences. Valuing quality enhances appreciation and conscious living. 5. Practice gratitude. Simplifying life makes it easier to appreciate what you have. Regular gratitude practice focuses on blessings, reducing the desire for more. Why is minimalism important for daily improvement? It reduces physical and mental clutter, creating space for meaningful pursuits and leading to intentional, fulfilling living. Minimalism also reduces stress and improves mental health, allowing clearer focus on essential goals. Start by decluttering and prioritizing essentials. Adopt a mindset of valuing quality and practicing gratitude. Over time, minimalism brings a profound sense of clarity and purpose, making daily improvements more achievable. In summary, practicing minimalism is transformative, reducing clutter to focus on what matters. Seneca said, "It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor." Embrace minimalism to be better each day. Build resilience. The sixth essential habit is building resilience, crucial for overcoming life's challenges and emerging stronger. Stoics viewed resilience as essential, believing adversity builds character. Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way," encouraging using obstacles as growth opportunities. Here's how to build resilience. 1. Embrace challenges. View challenges as growth opportunities. Resilience is built by facing and learning from difficulties. 2. Develop a growth mindset. Belief in the ability to grow and improve. Adopting a growth mindset makes setbacks viewed as learning experiences. 3. Practice self-care. Physical and mental health are vital for resilience. Exercise, sleep, and stress management prepare you to face challenges. 4. Stay connected. Strong relationships provide support during tough times. Maintain connections with family, friends, and community. 5. Reflect on past resilience. Remember times you've overcome adversity. Reflecting on past resilience provides confidence and strength. Why is building resilience important for daily improvement? It enables overcoming setbacks and challenges, growing stronger each time. Resilience fosters persistence and optimism, essential for long-term success. It also improves mental health by reducing stress and anxiety, leading to better overall well-being. Start by viewing challenges positively, adopting a growth mindset, and practicing self-care. Build strong relationships and reflect on past resilience. Over time, resilience grows, making daily improvement easier. In summary, building resilience is essential for overcoming challenges and emerging stronger. Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Cultivate resilience to be better each day. Develop self-discipline. The seventh essential habit is developing self-discipline, key to achieving long-term goals. Self-discipline, a core Stoic principle, involves making decisions aligned with goals and values and resisting short-term temptations. As Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Here's how to develop self-discipline. 1. Set clear goals. Establish clear, specific goals to guide efforts. Knowing what you aim for provides direction and motivation. 2. Create an action plan. Break goals into manageable steps. An action plan makes large goals achievable and provides a roadmap. 3. Establish routines. Develop daily routines supporting goals. Consistent actions form habits leading to progress. 4. Practice delayed gratification. Resist short-term temptations for long-term benefits. Strengthening self-control enhances self-discipline. 5. Monitor progress. Regularly track progress and adjust plans. Monitoring keeps efforts aligned with goals. 6. Be patient and kind to yourself. Self-discipline takes time. Be patient with progress and kind during setbacks. Why is self-discipline important for daily improvement? It helps stay focused on goals, make deliberate decisions, and live according to values. Self-discipline enables consistent progress toward goals, leading to long-term success. Start by setting clear goals and creating an action plan. Establish routines supporting goals and practice delayed gratification. Monitor progress and adjust as needed. Be patient and kind to yourself during setbacks. In summary, practicing self-discipline is essential for personal growth and achievement, helping stay focused on goals, make deliberate decisions, and live according to values. Marcus Aurelius said, "Do not act as if you were going to live 10,000 years. Your fate hangs by a thread. While you live and it is in your power, be good. Start cultivating self-discipline and be a little better each day." Conclusion. In conclusion, incorporating Stoic habits into your daily routine can lead to significant life improvements. Practicing temperance, managing emotions, engaging in negative visualization, keeping an open mind, embracing minimalism, building resilience, and developing self-discipline can make you 1% better every day. Remember, small, consistent efforts accumulate over time, resulting in substantial positive changes. Embrace these habits for a more balanced, fulfilling, and virtuous life.